Martin County firefighters are always there for your emergencies. But now with the threat of COVID-19, they're taking extra precautions to keep them and you safe.
Our gowns, and then we have our masks, and then our gloves up here.
Martin County firefighters show off their new gear in response to the new world we're all living in.
So normally on everyday medical calls, we would wear medical gloves and goggles. That's just the normal day-to-day operation when we go on medical calls. But now, because of this virus, we added an N95 mask and we added a gown. So to protect, again, from the possible patients we might come in contact with.
While EMTs and paramedics frequently put themselves in danger to help others, Fire Rescue Captain Jim Diopoulos says the new coronavirus is on everybody's mind.
A little more nerve-wracking because you don't want to bring it home, or if one of us might be sick, you don't want to transfer it to the patient.
That's why the department is taking extra measures when they respond to emergencies. Diopoulos says it all starts with the dispatchers.
Our dispatchers already do a great job of getting us the information that we need, but they've added a few more questions to make sure we're not walking into a situation where we're not protected.
When a fire truck and an ambulance respond to a call, new protocols only allow for the ambulance crew to make the initial contact with a suspected virus-carrying patient.
We're trying to lessen the exposure of the whole crew. They're going to be obviously geared up, and if they need any extra help, we'll be right outside geared up waiting for them.
Normally, after every medical transport, the back of the rescue truck is thoroughly cleaned. But now there's an extra 30 minutes of decontamination.
And the whole thing gets deconned first with Oxifer, something that we have normally, and then a rescue captain has to come in with a bleach solution and soak the whole thing again.
And then they're back on the streets, protecting you.
Of course, you can tell by the equipment that it is all disposable. As soon as the call is over, we dispose of all the gear and get ourselves and our equipment cleaned up to be ready to respond again.
For Martin County Television, I'm Bob Hoganson.